Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I am going to teach you how you can fix Roblox cursor going off screen. So make sure to stay until the very end of the video so you won't miss any important steps or information that I am going to show you. So let's get on it. First step to fix the problem is to run Windows Store Apps troubleshooter. So if you're using Windows 11, you should follow these steps right here. So the very first thing you should do when you notice that the mouse cursor is going off screen on Roblox is to run Windows Store Apps troubleshooter. So you can run Windows Store app troubleshooting by following these steps right here. So again, if you're using Windows 11, follow the steps. So right click on the Windows icon and choose the settings option, and then simply tap on the system present at the left panel of the screen, and in the system menu choose to troubleshoot option and click onto the other troubleshooters, and here you will find the Windows Store apps, and in the list of the troubleshooters scroll all the way down and then choose the run option next to the Windows Store apps. So that's it. That's how you can run Windows Store apps on your Windows 11. And next here are the steps to do that on your Windows 10. So open the settings menu on your Windows 11 system and tap onto the update and recovery. And in the top update and recovery window, choose the troubleshoot option and click onto the additional troubleshooter link. And in the additional troubleshooter, choose the Windows Store apps option, and here you will find the Windows Store apps. And that's it for the first way or first solution. And the next, what you can do is to clear your Windows Store cache. So a huge amount of Windows Store cache data can be another major reason why you are facing the problem. So as a solution, you will have to clear the Windows Store cache to fix the issue, and you can do so by using the Windows settings or built-in command line tool called wsreset.exe. And here are the steps to follow right here. So first, you need to open the command prompt in the administrator mode, and then in the command window, type the ws reset.exe and press the enter key on your keyboard. And you can even search for this right here, the ws reset.exe, and choose the result that pops up and run it as administrator. So a command prompt window will pop up executing the internet command, and once the command is executed, the Windows Store will open automatically, indicating that the cache has been cleared. So you can try and launch the game and check if you are still facing the issue. And if you still are, just do the next possible solution that I am going to show you, and that is to run the system file checker. So Windows comes with a built-in system file checker. You can run it to replace or fix any corrupted file which is causing the mentioned problem. So here are the steps you need to follow to run the system file checker on Windows. So first, click onto the Windows key to open the start menu, and in the search bar, type the command prompt and click on the command prompt or admin option. And now in the command window, just copy paste the below mentioned command and press the enter key. So here is the command that you need to copy paste, and then just enter after copy and pasting it. So that's it, and Windows will take roughly around 10 minutes to complete execute the command, and once the process is complete, you can reboot the system. And then next, what you can do is to change the display scale. So the mouse cursor can go off screen on Roblox if you have set monitor scaling above the recommended limit. So by default, the limit is set up to 100% depending on the display solution. However, if you have increased it, there is no surprise you are dealing with a problem. So you will have to set the monitor scaling to default settings to fix the issue. To do so, follow the steps right here. So first, open your settings on your PC and navigate to the system, and then go to the display section, and then click on to the drop down icon present next to the scale, and then choose the recommended monitoring scaling. And that's it. You can try opening the game and check if the problem is fixed. And what you can do next if the problem is still hasn't been fixed, you need to reset your Windows Store. So resetting Windows Store is one of the most effective ways to fix any problem revolving around an app that you have downloaded from the Windows Store. This method will help to stop halfway the installation problem and even the mouse cursor disappearing issue. To reset the Windows Store, follow the steps right here. So if you're using Windows 11, you can follow the steps. So press the Windows plus I shortcut to open the settings menu and click onto the apps option present at the left panel of the screen. Then choose the apps and features in the following window. So here you will find all the applications installed in your system. Then tap onto the three dots present on the next window and choose the advanced option. And then after that, reset the Microsoft Store and scroll down the window and tap to the reset option and choose reset again in the confirmation box. And then here is for the Windows 10. So open the settings menu and navigate to the apps and then go to the apps and features and scroll down until you come across the Microsoft Store in the list. And tap onto the advanced option and choose to reset in the following window. So that's it for this process. And then lastly, what you can do is to simply reinstall Roblox. So if none of these steps that I mentioned worked, or none of the above mentioned or the steps mentioned were going to help you in solving the problem, the last thing you can try is to reinstall the game. And there is some temporary bug causing the issue, thus reinstalling Roblox to fix the problem. So that's it for this video. And remember, you can always pause this video or go back to the video and follow the steps at your own time. So hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.